Safety while driving is one of the most important indicators of buying a car for a person. So in this video, I'll show the top expensive crash test cars. The price of this car is about $500,000 in each crash test. 4 new cars are used. So this crash test costs about $200,000. Chevrolet Camaro passed all tests perfectly, except for one. The test revealed that the car has a rather unreliable roof. And this is bad for a sports car because at high speed there was a high risk of overturning. That error was quickly corrected. This car is simply the ideal of safety. It passed all the tests without any problems. The price of the car and the basic configuration is about $9,000. The price of this car is about $90,000, but the decision about its absolute safety is quite controversial. The car passed most of the tests well, however, on the side impact test, the body bent very much, caused a lot of controversy among experts. The price of the car is based on approximately $130,000. The car failed an L test completely, but still barely received 5 safety stars. Was the most expensive crash test in history. The price of one Bugatti Veyron is about $1,900,000. There are quite a few crash test videos on the internet. These are mostly old videos from 2004. However, the car passed all tests in one go.